Today, I will be explaining the microscope from top to bottom. The first thing we'll discuss is the eyepiece, and its reason to exist is so that we can look at it and magnify more than if it was just these lenses. And I cannot see anything right now because, well, there is no object. Below it is the body tube. It connects the eyepiece and the rest of the microscope together. The knob controlling the body tube is the coarse adjustment knob, and it makes it go higher or lower, therefore making us able to see it more clearly, the object. Below this knob is a smaller knob, the fine adjustment knob, and it makes it have a better resolution so that we can see it better. It says that it can move the stage, although I don't think this is happening. No, moving the stage. Now this one is the arm, which we can use to carry the microscope. Then this part is the objective lenses or the nose piece. It is rotatable and can be switched to low power lens, medium power lens, and high power lens. In using the microscope, we use the low power lens first so we can test if the microscope is ready for the actual observation. Now, directly below these lenses is the stage, the area which the object to be examined is to be placed. And to keep it in its area, then here are the clips which can hold the glass. Have you realized that there's a hole in this one? That is because so that the light can come in. Below this is a diaphragm, which is a ring like this. It has different stages, from a thin one to a fat one, and it affects how much light is being placed here. Under this part is a tilt joint, where when we hold it like this and pull the arm, it tilts. Now back to normal position. I'll show you one of the most important mechanisms in all of this microscope, the mirror. The microscope, it's based on light refraction, or light reflecting from here, and then it will go up in this area where the lens can go, and it can be seen from the eyepiece. And this is the whole reason why the microscope even exists. It is an important mechanism that can be adjusted so that the refracted light comes out here. But why can it magnify? The mirror has a special type of lens. In the mirror, it reflects light from here up to here, and then in the objectives, there's like a refractive lens which allows it to magnify when it reaches here, the eyepiece. And finally, the last part of the microscope is the base. It's so that it can keep in place. Doesn't that rhyme? And that is the microscope from top to bottom. Hi, this time I will be looking at what garlic and onion skin look like under a microscope. I will be posting the pictures of what I can see here on this wall. Now, enjoy the video! And so that is the garlic skin. Now, here's the second one. And so that is the onion skin. Thank you so for watching.